Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to get cooking. Today I am making pie, but I'm not making your average normal pie. No, I'm making Dorito pie. Yeah, that's right, Dorito pie. This pie is so delicious. I cannot wait to share this recipe with you. So let me go over the ingredients that you will need and show you just how to make it. All right, so what I have here is 1 pound of taco meat. And I have just taken 1 pound of ground beef, added my taco seasoning. Now I like to use my own taco seasoning. I'll give you the recipe to that in the description box below, but you can pick up a package of the pre-made taco seasoning if you want to use that instead. Then you'll need 1 can of crescent rolls, a half of a stick of butter, 1 cup of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of salsa, and then 1 cup of a shredded cheese. And this is a Mexican blend. And then you will need your Doritos. You will need around 3 cups of crushed Doritos. All right, so I'm going to take these Doritos and I'm just going to kind of crush them inside this bag here. I'm actually going to open the bag up. Makes it a little bit easier. I gotta have one now. Or maybe 2. All right, next thing is I've got a pie plate here and I'm going to put my crescent rolls inside of my pie plate and I'll show you how to do that. So what you want to do is line the crescent rolls around, putting the points into the center like this. They don't have to be perfect because we are going to press it in. All right, so then just press using your fingers here to close all those gaps. Then just come up the sides and just make sure that all those seams are pressed together till it looks like one solid pie crust. All right, then I'm going to take about half of these Doritos and pour into the bottom of my pie. And I'm going to spread them out. I'm going to top it with the taco meat. All right, so then I'm going to combine my sour cream and my salsa and mix that together. And then I'm going to pour this over top of my taco meat. Spread it out. Then I'm going to sprinkle with the cheese. And then top it with the rest of the Doritos. I melted the butter in the microwave and now I'm going to pour it over top of the Doritos. Okay, then bake your pie in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Oh boy, just look at this Dorito pie. Oh, it looks and smells delicious. I cannot wait to cut into this and show you guys what it looks like inside. Check that out, guys. Check it out. Dorito Pie. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so yummy. If you are a Dorito fan, yeah, you're gonna want to try this pie. And the thing is, you can use any Doritos you want. Cool Ranch, Flamin' Hot, whatever. You pick your favorite. Okay, guys. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.